Hey guys, recently we had a chance to witness a real snowstorm. Of course I had to go to the forest to fully experience the magic of winter. When I got home, I immediately grabbed my art supplies to commemorate such a rare day, so I decided to share the process of making a winter composition with you guys. I will be using metallic watercolor paint and watercolor brush tip markers to create this artwork. And here is a time lapse of me sketching out the elements that I want to appear in the composition. So here is the final sketch. I will be using brush tip watercolor markers to color the composition. However, I will not be using them directly on paper because they are always very hard to blend. Instead of that, I came up with a little trick. I will be using an artist palette to gather the pigment from the markers, which I will then mix with water in order to create a beautiful and even watercolor paint. I am putting a bit of water on places that I want to color. This way I can achieve a beautiful blend of colors. I am coloring everything blue because it reminds me of the coldness of winter, but I will make the details orange because this color reminds me of the warmth you experience when you come home from a very cold day. Here I'm using a marker directly on paper. I am doing this to give the outline to the elements. Now the artwork looks way more put together. And finally, I'm using a gold metallic watercolor paint to add a bit of sparkle into the artwork. And here is the final result. It was very fun to make and I hope you enjoyed the video as well. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!